is up? Welcome back to my channel Musically Music and Fitness and Vlogs. So in today's video, it's actually a two-in-one video. So as all of you know, I have posted a story with a sticker of assumptions and questions, and I have gotten some pretty good replies, and I'll be answering them in this video today. And I'm also make sure you like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So stay tuned and hope you like the video. Hi guys, so as you all know, I have posted a story on my personal page and the channel's page asking for assumptions and questions so that I can answer them. So this is a combined video of a Q&A and assumptions. So I've gotten some pretty good replies and I'm going to be answering them here today. So one of the questions is what is your biggest fear? So basically, I don't really know my biggest fear. I'm scared of insects and bugs and all that, but I basically don't know my biggest fear. Um, if I had to state my biggest fear, like from the top of my head, I'd probably say butterflies. And trust me, I know this is weird, but I'm horrified by butterflies. They just creep me out, and I know what you'd think. I'm a girl, I'm not supposed to be scared of butterflies, but that's actually not true. So being scared of butterflies is something that people make fun of me for a lot of reasons, but I'm scared of butterflies. Big deal. That's my fear, one of my biggest fears. Insects and bugs probably my biggest fear. Okay, the next question is something that makes you angry. Wow, I don't really get angry a lot, so that's kind of a thinker, but maybe when someone doesn't listen when I'm talking, that frustrates me. I'm not saying that you have to always just be paying attention to me and stuff. That's not what I mean. But when I'm talking, I'd expect you to listen. Just like how I'd listen to you when you're talking, I'd expect you to listen to me when I'm talking. It's just basic respect. And so when someone doesn't listen when I'm talking, that just makes me very angry. And it makes me angry to a point where I would start shouting or start throwing stuff. But in general, I'm a very jolly person. I don't get angry that easily. One of the assumptions was you wake up at 6 a.m. Wow, that's false. I do not wake up at 6 a.m., guys. I do not like waking up early. I am a complete night owl. Mornings is like, oh, why do I have to wake up? Then nights I'm super active. I don't know if you guys know this, but I film most of my videos at night, except for the last vlog because I had to do it at daytime. But most of my videos are actually at night. So no, I'm not a morning person and I do not wake up at 6 a.m. On weekends, I basically wake up like really late. I wake up at a minimum of 9:30. And on weekdays, because of school and stuff, I wake up at around 7:30, I guess, because I have exercise and all that, so it's a little more easier. Okay, so the next question is, how do you have the motivation to work out? Okay, so this is a pretty good story. So when I first started exercise last year, it was a difficult process because I hate getting dirty and I hate sweat. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. So when I first started exercise, it was difficult and I immediately lost my determination. I thought I'm not gonna do this anymore. There was even a time, one night, I told my mother that if I didn't lose weight by the next month, I'm gonna stop exercise. But the second I lost weight, it felt so good that I just didn't want to stop. And plus, for the channels dances that I do, they are amazing, and I would love to dance them every single day. And I still do. They're the best dance crew in the entire world. So yeah, basically my motivation is the fact that I lost weight in the first place. Okay, the next one is not an assumption, but I love your vids. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet. Means a lot to me. So you guys know I just started YouTube, and the fact that this is one of the statements, it means so much to me it's really touching that you guys like my videos. So make sure you go like this video right now. I'll give you time, don't worry. You guys done? So I'm really happy that you like my videos, and trust me, I'm not going to stop making videos. They are one of my most favorite things to do. It feels like I'm interacting with the world without even stepping out of my house. And I love YouTube, so thanks for liking my videos. The next question is favorite song. So I usually jump from song to song because I love singing. So I jump from song to song to song. So I don't think I really have a favorite video. But off the top of my head, like right now, if your question is like what is my favorite song right now, it has to be Blinding Lights. I love that song. You guys have to listen to that song, it's amazing. It's literally the best song in the world. But it's probably gonna change soon. So. Okay, another assumption for me. Topper student. No way. I'm not a topper student, guys. I do well in school, but I'm not a topper student. It's more like I'm a mediocre student. I'm not average, but I'm not a topper in school, so I'm okay. Okay, so we have 3 questions here. The first one, how do you maintain your diet and fitness routine plus school? Okay, so now that it's lockdown and everything and we have online schools, I don't really have a problem with maintaining the workouts and the school because I usually do workouts only in the morning and evening. So my workout usually lasts for 2 hours, and my next video, I promise, is gonna be a full workout video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when it comes out. And as for diet, usually I'm not the one that's in charge of my diet. My mom is the one that usually does everything. It's not really that hard once you're into it and you want to do it. It's basically more of a motivation and like it feels more better when you're on a diet, because trust me, if you're not dieting, an exercise is not gonna help. Okay, the next question is, what do you think about restrictive and yo-yo dieting? Okay, for restrictive dieting, that's the dieting actually I follow. I restricted myself from a lot of foods and stuff. And yo-yo dieting, I don't see a point of dieting if you're gonna stop in between and just end up gaining weight again. And I'm speaking with experience because this had happened to me. So a couple months ago, I stopped dieting and I ended up gaining weight again. So after I gained weight, I realized that I'm not supposed to gain weight. I need to lose weight. So I went back. And I don't plan on going back to stopping dieting and everything. And I plan on staying on this restrictive dieting. So I don't think, to answer your question, I don't think that yo-yo dieting is the best idea. But restrictive dieting, I guess. I'm not saying it's the best, but it's better than yo-yo dieting. And the next question is, how do you maintain your weight loss? Maintaining weight loss is actually not that hard, guys. To maintain weight loss, all you have to do is exercise and diet. And the fact that I have support from my entire family really helps, because my family is my pillar of support, and without them, I don't think I would have even lost any weight. I remember my sister, before her exams and everything started, she used to do exercise with me every single day. And I know for a fact once she's done with her exams, she's gonna do it with me again, and I can't wait for that. My mom, she helps me with my diet and stuff, and she's the one that makes all these crazy, amazing foods that help me lose weight. And my father, even though he doesn't stay here in India with us, he's always been a support because he always believed in me to lose weight. And if he hadn't pushed me into losing weight, I don't think I would have ever started. So, to answer your question, I think I maintain my weight loss only because of my family. I have no other way of maintaining weight loss. It's just exercise, diet, and my family. So, that's all the questions and assumptions we have for today. So if you guys have any other questions, just comment down below and I will answer them in the comments. I'll answer as many as possible in the comments. So just subscribe and turn on the post notifications if you have any doubts or any questions about weight loss or any normal ordinary questions that you'd like to ask. Comment down below and like the video, and make sure you stay tuned for my next video because it's going to be a full length workout video.